Welcome back. The Delivering Alpha survey brings together the market intelligence of the nation's leading institutional investors, top strategists, and our own CNBC contributors. We asked them for their outlooks and strategies for the first quarter and beyond. We polled about 300 chief investment officers, equity strategists, portfolio managers, and CNBC contributors who manage money. The survey was conducted over the last week. Here is one on where the best returns are expected in 2024. Topping the list, the S&P 500, just about 0.3% or from its all-time high, followed by the NASDAQ 100, Chinese stocks, that's interesting, and ETFs. The biggest risk for stocks in the new year, inflation tied with problems with commercial real estate. So those two not as surprising as Chinese stocks. Those are down, 15% this year, so maybe they're expecting some kind of mean revision.
1 out of 8
year.
people, betting on maybe a little bit of a snapback.
Could we throw that back up there? Why don't we listen? When Joe, Becky, and Andrew are off this week next year, also when we meet back
reconvene.
When we reconvene this version of Squawk Box, we should make a bet, and then we should bet like breakfast on which of us gets it right. Because I don't think either of those 4 things is right. I think Brazil will do better than all 4 of those things.
Yeah. Or people are talking about India again.
Are they?
As well.
What people?
Money managers. People I talk to.
They're talking about India.
Yeah. India is seen as kind of the new China.
I think Brazil's the new India.
So Brazil would be your write-in vote. My guess is the Delivering Alpha survey perhaps didn't have it as a choice.
There's no write-in candidates, not Colorado. Which one of those, Mike? You're the market expert.
I'm not at all. Not in the sense of projecting a 1-year return. I think it's difficult for the S&P to clearly outperform without the NASDAQ doing its job. So there's a little bit of dissonance.
I agree with you because I think what you're saying is the S&P can't go up without the NASDAQ because the weighting inside the S&P, basically you're saying that 493 stocks have to outperform the Magnificent
Even more than that. Yeah, I mean, it would have to be. It would be tough, but we'll see.